مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
Dear students, welcome. Grade 7 students, this is a new grammar lesson. Open your student book on page 105. As objectives today, we have to complete the rule about the use of the zero conditional, and then to make 5 complete sentences by matching the two halves. First, as a starter, you will see a video. Tell me what is the video about, and then when do we use the zero conditional. Watch. So, open your book on page 105, this section here, and to answer the questions about the video, here we go. The tense we use is the present tense in both clauses. It means, as examples show, if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. And if you pour oil into water, it floats. So the first clause is in the present simple, and the second clause also is in the present simple. We use the zero conditional to talk about universal truth, حقائق علمية ثابتة. If you heat ice, it turns to water. And also we use it to give commands. If you are tired, go to bed. In this case, the verb in the main clause is an imperative. So, we focus with the first use, universal truth, and to give commands. The form we use to in the zero conditional is if plus subject, if you, present simple, stand in the rain, subject you, present simple get wet. Now, as an exercise to check your understanding, if you mix black with white, you get gray. If you don't water flowers, they die simply. When you heat ice, as we said, it melts. And if you freeze water, it turns to ice. When you tickle her, she laughs. If you mix flour and water, you get dough. When the teacher gives us homework, she always does it. And finally, if you pour oil on water or into water, it floats. Oil floats. Now to your book, page 105. If you win 3 games in the sport, you are the winner. And if you heat water, it starts to boil at 100 Celsius. So, A, to refer to general truth, which one? And to make statements about the real world, which one? Here we go. And the form, as we've said, it's if plus present simple, and the the answer, the result is in the present simple also. Match the two halves to make sentences. Think about the activity and come to check the answers. Pause the video. Now, if you heat ice, it melts. If you score 12 points, you win the game. Number 3, if you mix blue and yellow, you get green. If you don't drink water, you get thirsty. And if you win the match, you get the trophy, الكأس. Now, part 2. After revising and practice, we go to our homework. Workbook page 112, 113. This activity here. Look at the pictures and the prompts. Complete the sentences using the zero conditional. If you no water plants, they were to die. If you don't water the plants, they die. Number 2, if you were to win a tennis match, you were to get a trophy. Yes, so as simple as that. Number 3, if we don't receive plastic, if you don't recycle plastic, we pollute the environment. Number 4, if you score more goals than the other team, you win the match. Excellent. Activity C, page 100 and the next page. Write sentences using the zero conditional as in the examples. If mix red and blue get purple. The result, if you mix red and blue, you get purple. Number 2, think about it. If we recycle, we help save the environment. Number 3, think about it. Pause the video. If water gets below 0 degrees Celsius, it turns into ice. Number 4, think about it. Pause the video. Okay, number 4, if you leave the tap on, you waste water. Number 5, think about it. Pause the video. Then, if we pollute lakes and rivers, fish die. Excellent work. Now to homework. Workbook page 113. I need you now to think of your favorite sport and write 4 rules. Use the zero conditional. قواعد الرياضة المفضلة لديك. قوانين الرياضة المفضلة لديك. اكتبها على شكل رؤوس أقلام واستعمل zero conditional. Up to now, thank you so much and see you next week.
مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.